I wanted to show you guys something really quick. So this is my compost bin. It's an open compost. I've been doing it for like 3 years now, and I like it this way. It's easy, and it even feeds the little critters sometimes at night. They come in here and munch, and I think that's great. Anyways, so don't mind all the weeds. It's the rainy season here in Florida, hot and rainy, so weeds are everywhere. But if you come into my compost bin, so there's my compost. I keep leaves and stuff over there for it to keep burying. You'll see all the growth. I have a little pepper growing back there. Stuff grows back here all the time. I have some tomatoes growing. Some of those are flowers that came through the fence. I have not planted any of these. Look, there's a, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tomato in that block right there. If you was to dig through this compost pile, you will find probably thousands of worms. This is one of the ways I feed my garden for free. Look at that. Oh, there goes a big old lizard. Anyways, so you see this plant right here. This is a type of squash. I believe it's a butternut squash. So take a good look at it. It goes through the fence right there. You can see where it's found its way through there. All right. Here I'm trying something new. A closed hot compost in a trash can. See if that decomposes faster than that one. Anyways, okay, let's see where that goes. So let's take a walk outside. We're just gonna take a walk around. It's my little table, prepping table. And this is where we store cans, scrap wood I can use for my garden. And look what is over here. Holy cow. Look at the flowers. It is massive. Now it has a lot of leaf miners. You can see all the leaf miners. That's okay. They typically don't hurt the plant, and it looks like we have something eating some of the leaves. It's that time of the year. But other than that, look at it, it's still going. I don't see any female flowers on it yet, or any fixing to come up, so I can't say for sure, but it really looks like a butternut squash to me. And probably because I have grown so much of it this year, and I got so much out of the garden, we've eaten a lot. So it only makes sense to me. But I'm leaving it alone. Let nature take its course. Oh, look at all the buds down there fixing to come on. We might get a female out of one of those. Yeah, there's one right there starting. That is a female. And that looks like butternut squash. I'm curious to see if it keeps going, if it goes through into the yard, or what. I'm not going to touch it. Let it go completely on its own. It's got the compost in there, so it's got plenty of nutrition to feed it. We'll see how far it goes. I love it. I'll wait about another week, and if I get any fruit, I'll do another update. It is so hot, so muggy out, so rainy. Ugh. There it is. Alright, until next time. See ya.